Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be using this brand new Canon Image Class LP632CW laser printer for white toner. But before we get into all that, I'm gonna go ahead in case I sound funny. I had oral surgery, so there's that. Okay. Anywho, so I will not be on camera, but you can use any at-home laser printer to convert into white toner. Okay, I will leave a link in the description box for everything that I am using. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by the channel. Please consider subscribing, liking the video, sharing out the video, leaving me a comment because I do love interacting with you all. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. I have already taken this out of the box, y'all. We're just gonna go over materials now, okay? We're just gonna go over the materials, all right? Okay, so this is a Canon image class, as I've already said. You are going to need eye color paper. You're gonna need the A and the B paper, okay? Because it's a two-step process, just like DTF. You have to marry these together. So this is just like an adhesive. And then the DTF, you're using the powder to make your adhesive, okay? So there's that. You will also need, and I'm trying out a new mic, so hopefully you guys can hear me, okay? Let's see something. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it and hopefully it is working. All right, and then the next thing you're going to need is a Canon Absolute toner. Now, when I first saw this, shout out to Angie Holden. I was like, yeah, like hello. So yeah, there we go. So this is going to be a very cost-effective way. And in here, we should have like a key, and we do. Okay, I'm not going to show the actual code, but right in here is your RIP activation software code. Okay, all right, along with your toner, cartridge. Okay, so this is going to be your white toner cartridge. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this software on the computer, and we are going to go ahead and finish getting this set up, and we're going to print or transfer, okay? I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I have the paper put in. I've already updated it. I'm going to show you my other computer screen because it's not on, this software is not compatible with Mac. So this is what we're going to try and print. Now, I'm going to be the first to tell you, I don't know what I'm doing, but we just going to go with the flow, okay? So that's my print preview. See what my white layer looks like. Okay, so I got a white layer, color layer, print preview, da 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 da. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead. I'm not gonna mess with anything. This is just a standard print. Okay. This is a standard print. So it came in the software. So I'm not gonna mess with any of it, okay? I'm just going to try and print it. So here we go. Let's see what we get. Now this is what's gonna be funny because let's see, remove the white space. I'm expanding it, just trying to get it as big as I can. Okay. And I know you guys can't see this, but we will see this on another. Let me let me try and go and StreamYard on here. I'm gonna try, but I don't want a bunch of noise on this one, so let me mute it. All right, I'm trying to share this screen. Okay, and we should be good. So I'm sharing the screen. I'm gonna go to the software. This is what the software looks like. All right. I don't know. This is our print preview. Nope, that's samples. This is our original graphic. Print preview. I'm just showing y'all the different effects on it. This is the output. How you want to change it, remove it, but we're not gonna mess with any of these. The only thing I'm looking for is how you print. That's all I'm trying to figure out how to do, y'all. Oh no. So we're kind of learning this together. I'll get out of here. Okay. Oh, did I take image off? I did. Let's do the soccer eye color. That's the one we had up here. That's our. I'm removing the blank space, so you hit this button right here. Okay. See where my says moving in the top right corner. And then we're gonna hit yes. All right. So it makes it bigger. Now I do know that you want to pick your page size from here. I'm using 8.5 by, I think this is 11. You look just to be safe. 8.27. Okay, so this is the A4 size that I'm using. Okay, it's the A4 size. So go ahead and choose A4. And then we're just making it as big as we can. Okay. And then I'm going to figure out how we print this, okay? So I'll be back. Okay, guys, what you actually have to do is export this. Make sure you have the overprint on, okay? Create PDF, and we're gonna overwrite this one because I don't know where I put it at. And it should tell me okay. All right, PDF created. We're gonna hit okay. It's gonna pop up right here for us. And then these are two layers. Remember what's black, we have to substitute the white cartridge, the black cartridge for the white, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and hit this print button. Now I downloaded this printer on here, Lord. Let's see, where is it? Right here. Shouldn't be nothing in the queue. Okay, so that's the printer that we want. Yeah. Okay, here we go. All right, so we're gonna have to print it twice. All right, so here's our first print, and we're only going to print page one first, and we don't print. We only print on one side of the page. Okay. Here we go, and we're gonna print. We're gonna see how this comes out because I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, so have our first print, but now what we're gonna have to do. Well, I need to throw this bag away. So what we're gonna do, pull this white piece out. We're gonna have to put this in the same orientation, okay? The same orientation as it is on the screen. So we're just gonna lay this back in here, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is, okay, to swap these out. This is your black. I'm just gonna pick this up. I'm gonna lay it right here. And I'm gonna take this orange off of here. And I don't think I need it. And then it's just as simple as dropping the other one back in. Close our front cover. And it should not be printing anything. All right. So now we're going to go to print again, but this time we're only going to print page 2. Okay. All right. So let's see what we get for page 2, which should be this, adding our white layer over it. Okay. I hope. Because remember, your girl knows you. And it's gonna take a minute when you change these cartridges out because you're asking the printer to do something that it is not made to do. Okay. And I'm doing this in real time. So we're gonna see how long this takes together. It's still saying correcting. Okay. That's what it's saying. And remember, I don't know how long it's going to say this because I haven't doing this. We're doing it together. and then we will marry um on another video and press it, okay? Because I don't know this part's gonna take. All right, so when it starts to print, oh, here it is. I was just gonna say when it starts to print, whoa. So look at there, y'all. Hold on, let me stop. That looks pretty good. Okay. Um, did I put the right side? Is the question. I think you're supposed to print. Interesting. So I'm gonna stop sharing this, y'all, and I'm going to come back right here. So this is our print, okay? But I'm wondering if I was supposed to print on this side, and then we put the B paper and we marry it together, okay? But it looks like it did not, it didn't line up. But there we go. Okay. All right, y'all. So there's that. Until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.